Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see here with the key fob I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch here and I flip. It's got the handles that keep this ramp nice and tight. Handle on either side. Again, I pinch here, and I flip. I can take this ADA compliant 34-inch wide ramp to the ground using only one finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that 34-inch wide ramp with ease. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. So a few of the advantages to the rear entry: we also sell the side entry, we sell full-size vans, we even sell some trucks and SUVs. So check our website. If you don't see it there, talk to us. I guarantee we can find it. We might already even have it, getting it ready for you. So it does taper to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. Got the deep cut conversion here. This is about a foot longer than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul two chairs at a time, that extra foot of difference might make the difference. For you. With the upgraded Q-string tie downs in here, we throw those in at no additional charge to you. A lot of our competitors make you pay to upgrade to the nice ones. We throw them in at no charge to you. Headliner's in good shape. Got your rear air controls over there, your rear air vents. It's got the 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, like I mentioned, or the gurney or the stretcher. Got your 2 shoulder harnesses back here, so if you do want to do 2 wheelchairs, you got the seat belt harnesses. And it's got the flip base seating here, so what this allows, we got to put our seats down, so flip up our armrests, pull it down here, seat folds down. See a little lever right here, we got to pull this forward while pulling the seat towards me. Once I get it started, check it out. It pulls right up here, flips up on its side. So in a matter of seconds, you can have the canal completely clear. Get 2 wheelchairs in here, or that gurney if you need to. It's got your cup holders in the rear. Got all your tie downs and warranty information there. So you got the plugs in the back for your charger or your electronics for your passengers in the rear. Got the center console there, cup holders. Plenty of cup holders here in the rear for passengers and back. More plugs for your electronics. The dual climate control. Got your lane assist. Will keep you in the lane, if you start pulling out of your lane. Dash is in great shape, so a nice loaded up Pacifica here. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's even got the safety following distance. The radar on here keeps you a safe following distance from the people in front of you. So a lot of great safety features on this. And I tell you what, if I owned a business, or even just for my family, yeah, these extra features, they cost some money, but can you put a price on your safety, your loved one's safety? You know this, if you own a business, you cannot afford an accident, especially if your driver's at fault. So those little extra safety features go a long ways. One finger, pop it back up, clamp it down, we're ready to roll. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. And what do you expect them to say? But I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you no warranty. A lot of them 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some of them 3 years, 36,000 miles. You compare those answers to 3 years unlimited miles. Now you tell me who has the better built conversion. This van has the alloy wheels. We put 4 brand new tires on it. All 4 tires are brand new tires on this van. As I do the walk around, you can see it's very clean. Hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect. See a little bit of touch-up paint right there on the bumper. Every single used vehicle is going to have these little scratches and things on them. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. So no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Not just a picture, a video. And why I say that, what these scammers are doing, especially on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is the biggest scamming junkyard of people in the world. I'm not saying everybody is, but there's a lot of scams on there. They take pictures of our vans, they cut out my sign up there, and they put a van like this on the internet. $20,000 to buy this van, $1,000 to hold it. They're trying to get you to send them $1,000 to scam you. If you were to say to them, hey, send me a video of this VIN number, well, they couldn't do it because they don't have the van with them. So my name is Jeremiah Coleman, owner of the Mobility 316. I've got this van here in my possession. That shows you this is not a scam. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see one owner, no accidents or damage, last owned in nice salt, rust-free Texas. Shows it was a rental vehicle. I like buying rentals. It means they've been adult driven. They've been highway miles. I don't think, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree if it's a sports car. I don't think too many people buy a minivan to take it out and hot rod it. It just means highway miles. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Look at me here on eBay. Been doing this on eBay itself since 2004. 1,552 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left me positive feedback for 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see here we are in Wichita, Kansas. Look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 329 reviews. You know, I have a lot of people, they tell me how they went through a horror story buying from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about, or they bought from one of the dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3 stars here instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a what could be a stolen vehicle. Yes, that happens frequently. Vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't told about, major mechanical issues. So hey, if you want a 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you deal with those low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. Okay, the van does have 1 key and 1 fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. We got the remote start button here, so I hit the button twice. Van will fire right up. So whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned vehicle, or it's wintertime and you want to come out to defrosted windows, your heated seats and heated steering wheel ready to go, you've got that option. It's got the push button start, which I really like. So if the key is in your pocket or your purse, all you get in, put your foot on the brake, push the button there, fires right up. So you don't have to go hunting for your key. Just makes one less thing to do, you know. Got the cream leather interior, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Yeah, power seat works nice. And if you do want to use this van commercially, you're going to be in and out a lot. You can hit the off button. These doors become manual. They open and shut quickly. You know, time is money. All right, here in the back, I just wanted to show you these seats. I put them back upright. Nice clean seats, clean interior. And I've got, when we did turn the van on, you can see there's 65,556 miles. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. Got this huge backup camera. It's got the park assist, so if I'm backing up, see the park sense is on. It's watching my backside, letting me know if I get too close to a bicycle or another car or, you know, a wall. It's gonna let me know so I don't hit it. So this has the the radio works there just fine. If I get a better channel, but you can hit heated seats, heated steering wheel. If you never had a heated steering wheel, it'll change your life. They're pretty awesome. So, and I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving right now. Mirror over there. That's the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these on a road test. Of course, the tires, brand new tires. My point is, I hope you can tell by our video, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like most dealerships do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, I have a 3.6 V6 engine, idle smooth. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage, you know, from being in a flood, and no signs of any rust from being up north in the rust belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it's fairly new, they assume it runs and drives good, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Hey folks, I got news for you. There are new car dealerships all around the country, especially this time of year. They're getting flooded right now. Water does not discriminate. It doesn't care if it's a 10-year-old vehicle, doesn't care if it's brand new. If water's coming, it's coming. So there's tons of brand new vehicles out there with flood damage. So do not assume things is my point. And what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's a private individual, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I deal with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, I've never been in a bad accident or a flood? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? As you can see, there's no water damage underneath here. There's no bent frame from a bad accident. And finally, do they get up on an overpass to take pictures of the roof? You know how many people I see at, many vehicles I see at auction that have roof damage because people just, with a hail damage or a bad accident or dent, something fell on it, they don't check the roof. So I do. I climb up an overpass over here, take pictures of that roof, so you know exactly what you're getting. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you buy a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage, whether it be from a flood or an accident, and it won't pass inspection in your state? In both cases, you bought a van you cannot title. If you can't title it, you can't drive it. And so you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid that and so many more factors in used vehicles, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a handbag off Amazon for 50 bucks. This is a major investment. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars per month, but I do that because they have the best vehicle history there is. I demand the best. You should do the same. Third, get online. Find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We stand behind our products and make sure every single one of them come with a warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Pacifica home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Accelerates up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new van. So very nice, very clean. It's got our safe following distance. Even though I have the cruise control set, it's going to separate me from this car in front of me. Awesome safety feature to have. It's got our lane departure warning like I mentioned. So if I start to drift over here to the right lane, that's going to turn yellow, and see how it turned yellow and steer me back to the lane. So lane departure warning. It's also got our blind spot monitor, little triangles in the rear view mirrors over here. So I'll demonstrate that a little better when someone gets up next to me. So do keep in mind we have a 90-day complimentary warranty. We do offer long-term warranties that cover not only the vehicle, their bumper, factory type bumper to bumper warranties that go in over 90 days, all the way to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. So got someone come up here on my left. See if I can get my little yellow spot there. Means someone's in my blind spot. It's warning me. So again, awesome safety feature to have. And do keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They got document fees. They got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for is that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So you notice coming down that ramp, I gave the van a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text, to be honest, text is the easiest way to get hold of us. These phones go crazy all day, every day, but call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to call or text me. Now I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, Absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell the Pacifica whether you buy it or not. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country. Whether standard or mobility vehicle, call me. I can explain how that works. And if you ever do want to come in, it is 100% imperative that you make an appointment with us. We stay super busy every second of the day. We're more than happy to spend some time with you, but you must make an appointment with us. Give me a call, give me a text, set that up, let us know which vehicles you're looking at. We'll get them all ready to go for you. And if you did make it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but again, I know it's a major purchase. We try to be as thorough as possible. If you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, no hidden fees, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.